The World Cup is over, but the leadership lesson remains. Congratulations to Spain on becoming world champions. Yesterday's final felt like more than a match between Spain and Argentina. It felt like a moment between two generations. Lionel Messi, one of the greatest players in history, and Lamine Yamal, representing what may come next. 19 years ago, Messi was photographed with Yamal as a baby. Yesterday, they faced each other in a World Cup final. Messi's Argentina lost. Yamal's Spain lifted the trophy. But leadership succession is never simply about replacing one person with another. The next generation cannot be expected to become a copy of the previous one. It needs the space, authority, and structure to lead in its own way. And that is where many founders struggle. They say they want new leaders to take responsibility, but they continue making every important decision. They give people titles, but not real authority. That is not succession, that is dependency. Spain showed that a new generation needs more than individual talent. It needs a system, clear roles, collective discipline, trust, and the freedom to perform when the moment arrives. Messi's legacy is not defined by one defeat, and a founder's legacy is not defined by how long they remain at the center. It is defined by what continues when they are no longer there. A founder's greatest legacy is not remaining indispensable. It is building a company that can succeed beyond their direct involvement.